The Unpacked event is just a few days away, and you already know that there's a high probability of leaks. First off, some brand new hands-on photos of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Although we have seen this item in the field quite a bit, this time we are also examining the box, which is simply a copy of the S23 Ultra packaging and includes, you guessed it, a USB-C cable. Let's now look at some official Samsung marketing materials that confirm and clarify a few key points. Firstly, the Notes app now has a new feature called Note Assist for the S24 Ultra. Additionally, the S24 Ultra will include a nightography zoom that will enhance zoom performance in poorly lit situations. It can summarize, format, or even translate your meandering notes into clear bullet points, saving both time and energy. Samsung boldly states that the peak brightness of all three of its S24 models is 2600 nits, which is a significant increase over its predecessor. Another notable feature of the S24 Ultra is a circle to search button, which opens a Google search for the same object or thing you circle on your screen. Here are some further facts regarding each of the three S24 phones. It's impressive that it works on text, photographs, and videos without needing a screenshot. Additionally, they are displaying Live Translate, which translates foreign languages into your local tongue right there on the phone app. The charging speed remains the same as it was last year, and only the S24 Ultra model will have a titanium build, while the other two S24 phones will have reinforced armor aluminum. Additionally, Samsung is confirming that the S24 Ultra does, in fact, have a flat display here. In case you are still unsure, remember to claim your $150 before it expires. There are just a few days left. Simply enter your name and email to reserve it. Do not include your credit card information, and you will receive surprises valued $970 and the S24 Ultra cost $150. If you decide to pre-order it, it will cost $100 for the Plus and $75 for the S24. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.